You've probably heard the term smart home thrown around a lot, right? But what does it actually mean? How is it really fundamentally changing the way we live our lives? Well, today, we're going to break it all down using some great insights from AAA as our guide. Okay, so let's just start with this idea. Seriously, take a second and imagine a home that doesn't just sit there, but actively adapts to you. A home that makes your daily routine simpler, way more efficient, and just a lot more comfortable. That right there, that's the core promise of the smart home, and we're about to unpack it.
Right, so if we're talking about a home that adapts to you, we've got to get on the same page. What are we really talking about when we use the word smart home?
Look, the key thing to get here is that it's not just about having a collection of cool, clever gadgets. The real magic word is integration. A true smart home brings all those different pieces, your lights, your heat, your music and movies, your security, all into one single cohesive system. And the goal isn't just to be futuristic for the sake of it. It's to genuinely make your life easier.
And that's really the whole point, isn't it? All that complex tech, all those different functions, they get funneled into one simple manageable system. It's about swapping out all that complexity for simple, unified control.
Okay, so you've got this one system. What does that actually get you in the real world? Well, it really boils down to three big things: control, comfort, and connectivity. Let's dig into what it actually feels like to live with this stuff every day. This really gets to the heart of it. The power is literally in your hands. Whether you want to tweak the temperature from the couch or set the perfect mood with the lights, that feeling of comfort is never more than a quick tap on your phone or a simple voice command away. So here's how these features translate into actual benefits. You got smart heating, which, yeah, is about comfort, but it's also about efficiency. It learns your schedule to save energy. Then you have smart lighting. It's great for creating that perfect ambiance for movie night, but hey, it can also double as a security feature. And holding it all together, a whole home network that makes sure everything stays connected with no annoying interruption. All right, so we've covered comfort and control. Now let's talk about the fun stuff: entertainment. How does having this integrated system totally level up the way we relax and watch and listen? You know, it's all about creating these incredible, seamless experiences. Imagine bringing that full-on movie theater vibe right into your living room. Or think about multi-room audio, where your favorite playlist just follows you from the kitchen out to the patio without missing a beat. The source points to systems like SONOS as a perfect example of how to get that immersive, high-def sound without a crazy, complicated setup. But, you know, a home is more than just comfort and movies. It's got to be your safe space, right? And that brings us to what is, for a lot of people, the most critical piece of the whole smart home puzzle: security. This is the emotional core of smart security. It's not really about the tech itself, the cameras, the sensors, the fancy locks. It's about the feeling you get from it. It's that peace of mind, knowing that you're connected to and in control of your home's safety, no matter where you happen to be. So how does that peace of mind work in practice? It's actually a really simple but super powerful three-step loop. First, the system monitors your home with its cameras and sensors. If it picks up on anything unusual, step 2, it instantly alerts you with a notification. And right from that alert, you have step 3, immediate control. You can view a live feed or lock a door right then and there. It's a complete cycle of awareness and action.
Okay, so that's all the theory, right? The nuts and bolts. But what's it actually like to live with this stuff? Let's check out some feedback from real customers to see what they value the most once these systems are in their homes.
The first thing that just jumps out from the user feedback is how important the execution is. One customer actually called the installers the A-team, which just goes to show you the most advanced tech in the world is only as good as the people who set it up. Professionalism is a huge deal.
The second big theme is expertise. I mean, with technology this complex, you want to be able to trust the advice you're getting. Someone here said an installer's knowledge is second to none, which really highlights how valuable it is to have an expert guide you and help you feel confident in the system.
And finally, it's not just a one-and-done thing. The feedback points to the power of consistency. This comment about getting a 5-star service for over 6 years, that shows that the long-term reliability and trust are just as important as that first day. It's about a high standard that's kept up over time. So, when you piece it all together, the seamless control, the amazing entertainment, the always-on security, and that expert touch, you end up right back where we started, at that core promise, a living environment that is truly, perfectly attuned to you and your life. And that leaves us with a final thought to chew on. We've seen how this technology can streamline and enhance our living spaces. But as our homes keep getting smarter, more responsive, more woven into the fabric of our lives, how does that change our very definition of what home truly means? Something to think about.